guys, Portia here. Today I want to share with you my experience with the Stardust Holographic HTV. So I purchased this approximately 3 weeks ago now, and the reviews were varying. They were either super great or it said, don't buy this product, sucks. So if we take a look right here, so we'll see overall it is like 4 stars. Like I said, when I purchased it approximately 3 weeks ago, it was a little bit less than that. But if we look at the reviews, we have beautiful but hard to cut, so pretty, good quality, great product. One person here was not happy with the size. One person flat out said, waste of money, don't buy. So William was just not happy with this product at all. It looks like the weeding process is where it went all wrong. So it might have been like hard to cut through. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it because I thought the colors that I was looking for was gonna go great for a project that I'm gonna do, actually a baby onesie. So looking at the manufacturer's instructions, so they said for Cricut, make sure it's on cardstock setting. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and then we'll press it out. And we'll just see if it cuts. Like I said, the colors are great, but the project will suck if it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, right? So let's just jump right in. All right, so it comes packaged just like this. And in here we have our instructions. And it came with, I guess this is a sampler, so it's called White Reflective HTV. It looks like transfer tape to me, but I guess it's not because it's clear, so that's why I think it's transfer tape. And then it came with these 4 sheets. Like I say, the colors are going to go great with what I have envisioned in my mind. And today the sheet that I want to use is this one. Kind of has like a pinkish tone to it, so hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it translates. And I will say it definitely is a little bit thicker than HTV that I have used in the past. So let's check it out. So I uploaded my image in Design Space. I'm gonna go ahead and make it 6 by 6. This is one of my favorite scriptures. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and make it. Don't forget to mirror your image. And let's go ahead and pick our material. Manufacturer said to go with cardstock. And looking here at cardstock, there's a lot of options. Not really sure which one to choose, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with the holographic cardstock because. All right, let's go ahead and get it cut. So I've already put it on the mat. Make sure it's on there nice and secure. And we cut. The cut on this didn't take long at all. It was probably about 4 minutes, so not bad at all. And as it was cutting, it looked like it was doing what it was supposed to do. So it doesn't seem like the machine had any difficulties whatsoever, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and weed. Okay guys, so the weeding on this was like butter. No problem whatsoever. I mean, the only problem I had was I had a lot of letters in there and I had to take out the spaces I didn't need, and that was my problem, nobody else's. But yeah, looks good. So let's go ahead and get our press done. Since we know the weeding is cool, how well does it adhere? So I'm heating up my little onesie. I love these things. They're so tiny, but I love them. Go ahead and get our image lined up just the way you like it. Looks good there. All right, so getting my Teflon sheet, and so per the instructions, it said 300 degrees for 10 seconds. And guys, I promise you right now, I'm trying so hard not to move it around. I made it through those 10 seconds. And let's see, so it says it's a warm peel. That was only seconds, but it looks like it's stuck on the first pass, and that's awesome. So yeah, I'm always cautious peeling it off because it's like, is it ready? Is it ready yet? But yeah, this one was definitely ready after my first pass, but I always like to do a second pass as well without the protective layer in there, so just with the Teflon. and do another 10 seconds, and I moved it around. I had to. So guys, by all intents and purposes, it was easy to cut and it has great adhesion. So I have no complaints about this particular brand of Holographic HTV. So I would recommend. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, leave me a comment and I will absolutely respond. Until next time, peace.